Nature is our greatest healer. She's our medicine. All the ancient traditions, all healing traditions, spiritual traditions, are based on the power of nature. People nowadays are so disconnected from nature, and this creates illness, not only of the body, but also of the mind and of our hearts, really. We need to understand that our planet is a living organism and that we are a part of that. When we spend quiet time in nature and enter her doors as a sacred sanctuary, she shows us her majesty. She soothes our aching hearts and she heals us deeply. She's teaching us all the time. All we need to do is get quiet and listen. The locations on my retreats are all handpicked so that they are happening in places where nature is very powerful, it's still pristine, and it's wild. And this allows us to connect to our deeper selves, to our true selves. My name is Masha. Please come and join me online for weekly classes or join me on retreat. It will be my pleasure to meet you. Big love.